Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Let's learn simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's get started. It is a cat. It is a cat. It is an ant. It is an ant. It is a bag. It is a bag. It is a pan. It is a pan. It is a fan. It is a fan. It is a red jam. It is a red jam. It is a van. It is a van. It is a doormat. It is a doormat. It is an egg. It is an egg. It is a tap. It is a tap. It is a bed. It is a bed. It is a pen. It is a pen. It is a book. It is a book. It is a web. It is a web. It is a vest. It is a vest. It is a zip. It is a zip. It is a house. It is a house. It is a tree. It is a tree. It is a jug. It is a jug. It is a rose. It is a rose. It is a cup. It is a cup. It is a dog. It is a dog. It is a vase. It is a vase. It is a pencil. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.